Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now in today's video, we're going to be trying to install Windows 7 on that thing. It probably won't support it, but we're going to try it anyways, and we're probably going to fail, but who knows, it could work. So let's go over to the computer and make the ISO, or make the USB drive. Okay, so we have Rufus open here, so then what we have to do is you guys select the USB. Or the ISO, I should say. Okay, GPT-1 standard Windows installation. And then we're going to now, I guess, go back into a time lapse. Okay, now that's done, we're going to eject the USB. And then and then we'll plug back in our capture card. Hopefully, it'll work then our next step, which is booting it up. Okay, it's now time to boot her up. And let's hope it'll boot. Hope. Okay, there's the USB. Select the boot and authenticate. Press enter. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I'm gonna do some troubleshooting off camera and let's hope this works. Okay, so that didn't work, so instead of Windows 7, I guess we're gonna try to do Windows 10. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. Because, yeah. So original options, don't do that, don't do that. And we're going to accept and accept. And we're gonna try Windows 10. Hopefully it works. And I'm saying hopefully because it's probably not going to work. Okay, now that's done, let's plug it back into the computer and see if this works. Okay, here we go. Turning on. A little F9. Oh, apparently I never shut it down, so that might be important. Camera lit. And now's where we spam F9. And then USB. Okay, good sign. Okay. Oh! Hey, it's working! Okay, at least that's good, so we got something working. And we are now in the setup. So for setup, so you guys can see, let's do a boom. There we go. Next, install now. Setup is now starting. So now setup's starting, that's at least good. Okay, I guess I'll be back once it goes through the installer. Hey, we're finally in the setup process. That took a very long time. But we finally got it. So now it's time to set up our user. And all that. Oh, Cortana. Now. Okay, now it's time for this kind of stupid part, but we'll be back once it is done. Okay, after a very long time, we finally got Windows 10 on here. That took forever, but the only sad thing is, Windows 10 was not actually the operating system this laptop shipped with, it was actually Windows 11. But Windows 11 runs really poorly. So hopefully 10 will run a little bit better. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to join the Discord server and watch the podcast. And we'll see you in another video soon. Hey, click on the video in the middle. YouTube thinks you might like that video. Thanks for watching.